back. She's like running away from you.
I know, I'm like, really? Okay.
Like,
Oh, shit. It just happened so quickly.
Dr. Donovan uses the power of social media to spread his labor of love, one crack or follower at a time.
we have a special guest.
Yay! It's me, I'm Zeta. Okay, so you might know me from Love Island USA Season 4. You're a winner.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I just found out.
Yeah, that's what you might know me from. Best known.
All right, we'll watch that episode later.
Oh, God.
And put it on the video.
Yeah.
And we're gonna go through everything because it's your first visit for a chiropractor, right?
It is my first visit. Yeah.
Okay, you terrified?
I'm very terrified, yeah.
Oh, okay. I shouldn't ask.
No, I see people and they're like breathe, and all of a sudden, like,
Yeah.
you know, and I don't know.
We have her posture photos. She doesn't want me to show these. Okay.
Oh, just
So-
a little slouchy little girl. Earlier, I was
Yeah.
like, I did runway for a very long time, and I would love the way that I was walking, but then when I would watch the videos back, I just always had this, like, hunch.
My
Like,
hunch.
I would be, what a joker. I would be just crushing it, but then I would look and I would just always sort of be like this instead of, like, I always felt like I wanted this, like, pushed in or something. Like, that's the only way I can explain it. Obviously, you know.
Get you back to one of these postures. Okay, you feel okay?
I think so.
Okay.
I'm so scared. No, oh my God, I can't.
She's so terrified. She's sweating all
Are
over the
other
place.
people scared?
Yeah, actually everyone that comes in is terrified.
Okay.
But then they end up liking it a lot, so.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let out. Whoa. Feel okay?
Yeah, that felt good.
Feel good?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
I've never had whatever that is.
It's the first time.
Before.
Let out. Whoa, that was really tight. A test we did, straighten this out. Push up hard as you can. Really strong, you notice? Wow. Push up right here. Straighten it out, push up. Much stronger, you notice?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. That's actually insane.
Yeah.
That's insane.
Yeah. Okay, let's see. She's been modeling.
Oh my God.
Whoa. This foot's going one direction.
Oh my God.
And right here. There you go. Whoa. There you go. Wow. Now she can walk.
I'm still scared. I'm
Okay.
happy with what's happening, but I'm scared.
Okay, that makes it more exciting. Okay.
Alright.
You don't want to put your face in there?
Okay. Do I need to?
Well, I mean, I want you to be comfortable.
Oh, I'm scared.
This opens up your spine, stimulates your nerves. Let me know if it's painful. Is that okay? Mm-hmm. Okay. You need this stimulation. Okay, let's see what's going on. How does this feel? Is this painful?
No.
She is terrified. Okay. All right. Her pelvis needs adjusting. It's kind of out of alignment. She's like, excuse me? Okay. Is this painful on the side? Over here?
No.
Okay, that's good. Okay, she needs to get adjusted bad. She's like, excuse me? Okay, so come close to me right here. All right. Okay, so we're gonna adjust your pelvis. Okay, here we go. Is that okay? Okay, she's like, ah!
I'm dying!
Okay. Whoa. Feel okay? Keep breathing.
I have to remember to keep breathing.
She walked in, she didn't breathe for like 5 minutes.
No, but actually, I will sit there and be like, I'm not breathing. I'm not breathing properly.
Okay.
No, just in general in life.
Oh, really?
I have to stop and be like, take a moment to breathe because you're not breathing properly.
Okay, we'll teach you how to breathe.
Okay.
Okay, don't worry. I teach everyone how to breathe.
I know a lot of people would laugh about that, but like, it's really, you know?
Yeah, it's serious.
a thing.
It's a thing, yeah.
God.
This.
And I might bleed.
Yes. Don't worry, it's okay. I'm gonna go gentle.
That's what they all say.
Yeah. And she has, yeah,
She's
I know, we're going through into 6 holes, so see what happens.
literally, okay.
Okay. All right. Oh my goodness. Right here. That's pretty good. Okay, you're doing good. Okay. Oh my goodness. What's in here?
Stop.
I'm just kidding. It's okay. Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Wow, you had a lot of stuff in there. You feel okay? Oh, there's blood in here.
That is interesting.
Okay, you feel okay?
Can I breathe through my nose now, or I still have to go through my mouth?
We have more holes to go through.
I don't want to do the other hole.
The other one?
It's gonna be so good for you.
I'm gonna.
You don't have to do it that often.
I'm gonna do it, but that was not,
It's not
comfortable.
Yeah, it's not comfortable.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel like I can already. I'm just so stressed about it. Like,
I know.
it's just an interesting feeling. I think
Yeah.
you just never like.
got it.
Yeah. Thank you. I love that. I need that.
She doesn't like my jokes.
He's like, oh God, what's
Yeah,
going
boy.
on up here? Never seen this before.
There you go. And it goes through your throat too sometimes, so you're doing good.
You guys are about to see tears come out just cause.
There you go. You did it. You're doing good.
You know how you just want to make sure you're normal? And I'm like, what the fuck is wrong with everyone just sits through this? I'm like,
You're doing really good. There's some people that freak out the whole entire time.
okay.
All right. You're doing good. We got it. Whoa. My goodness.
Oh my God, that is so intense. That is actually so intense.
Yeah, it goes through your throat once in a while.
It just feels like it's like hit my eyeball somehow. It's like, it's just doing, oh my gosh.
eyeball
Okay,
gets
I need
bigger.
like 3 seconds. I need like 3 seconds.
There we go. Wow.
Jesus Christ.
Got it. You want to blow your nose?
Can I breathe through my nose now?
She's never used her nose, that's why she's asking.
Just never felt anything like that before.
Yeah, it's her first time, so. It's everyone's first time in here, don't worry.
I'm glad I did it. That feels good.
That's good. You'll feel
Because
much
usually I
happier.
try to get like a full breath in. I have to like do like 3 before I get like a full one in.
Yeah,
Whereas now,
as you ran out. Okay, so let's see, open your mouth.
oh my God, I'm scared.
Open it. That's good, it's symmetrical.
Ooh.
Everyone comes in with like jaw going this way. I was like, whoa.
What happened to you?
Okay, so you're gonna open your mouth. We're gonna go inside your mouth. Okay, let's see what's in here. Whoa.
Oh.
It's painful, I know.
That
Whoa.
feels so strange. I don't know if I can allow you to go any further.
All right, let's try out the other side.
Oh my God!
She's a comedian. Just all these treatments we're doing. Okay, so open your mouth. Right there. I know. We're just gonna do 2 more strokes like this. 1 more. Wow, you did good.
Yeah, there's a lot of. I feel like all of my upset hides right there.
Just to give you permission to do all these things.
Literally.
You feel okay?
I feel lovely. Just.
Okay, that's good.
My body is just in such shock from just everything.
Just right here. Okay, you feel okay? Okay, you're gonna drop this shoulder down. Okay, you're gonna take a deep breath. Let it out.
Oh!
Whoa.
I literally feel like I just spoke Mandarin.
You did.
I was like, what? I have never done that before. Oh my gosh.
Feels okay?
Mm.
Okay.
Feels weird. Feels stiff right here.
It feels stiff?
Mm-hmm.
Excuse me. Because you have a trigger.
I've just
point right
never
here.
done any, like I've never done that neck snap thing before.
The neck snapper.
The neck snapper.
Okay. You just have a trigger point right here.
What does that mean?
The muscle's like really tight.
Yeah.
From my lunch. Okay.
Why is that so tight? Just from
It's just
life?
Yeah, these are like when you breathe through your chest, this gets tight. So you have like a trigger point here. Like, do you feel this? Right here?
Mm-hmm. Very much so.
Okay, breathe. The teacher. Breathe. Breathe. You're doing good. There you go. She's doing good. Okay, let's see. Let's check over here. Everyone loves this. Everything I do, she's like, oh. Right
I'm just
here.
a baby in here. I feel like my babiness has come out in here.
I know, her personality is changing as she gets adjusted.
Literally, I came in here like, "Rah!" All confident.
Alright, we're gonna just up here, your atlas.
My atlas.
Yeah.
Oh.
Last. Okay. Alright, we're gonna do this. Okay, relax. Okay, she's doing so good. Okay. She's so flexible. Head's like upside down right now. Okay. Here you go. And just lay back. She's like running away from you.
I know, am I really? Okay, okay.
Like, I'm screaming too.
Just fully relax.
Yeah.
Okay.
My God.
Oh, shit. It just happened so quickly.
Yeah,
Okay.
you needed that.
I did. That one felt
Yeah.
right. This one, I was like, okay, whatever. This one feels like,
Yeah.
woo, feels like I know who I am now.
Damn.
No, seriously, okay.
Whoa.
Oh, I feel good about that one.
Yeah. And that one stimulates your rest and digest. That's healing mode. All those nerves are over there. Okay, we're gonna release this trigger point. You're in construction. Okay, breathe. Let me know if I'm hurting you too much. My goodness, there's a lot of knots in here. She's like, geez, that's it.
Yeah.
Is that too much?
That one, yeah.
Okay, I'm just gonna release it like one more breath. Go. Okay. I'm just releasing all the waste and cortisol that's collecting in there. Okay. She might get sore. She's gonna get mad at me. Okay, you ready to get your head pulled off?
Oh, no.
No?
Is that this one?
Yes.
Oh my god. I feel like. Alright.
She's just gonna be traumatized when she leaves.
I know that I'm traumatized at this stage, but that I already feel better. So I just know that it's good.
Yeah.
Just like when you've never touched your body like in these spaces and release things, it's like, woo, woo, ow, woo. Okay.
Okay. I don't know what that was. I was kidding.
I'm just
Okay. Okay.
I'm just so shook.
All right. I'm just like making all these treatments seem intense. Like, we're gonna balloon your nose. We're gonna blow your head off. Okay. So you're gonna lay on your back face up. Okay. So calm.
Nope, not me. No.
Gonna give her the whip. Okay.
Oh my god.
All right. So this decompresses your discs in your spine. Helps with the pressure right here.
Okay.
Okay. All right. I do all the work. She's not the move. Okay, we're gonna put this around your neck.
I don't even want to look.
Okay. All right. So lift your head up. Okay. Lay your head back. All right. I'm just gonna stretch you out. Okay. Deep breath. Let out.
Okay. Okay.
How's that?
It's good.
Okay. Just she's gonna scream 10 minutes later. Ah! It's delayed. Delayed effect.
Literally. Oh.
And that's an interesting one. It's like a different type of crack. So that's why it was like kind of shocking. She's like totally zened out.
I really am. Does it do that to you? Just make you zen?
Yeah, I get high off the adjustments. Like, what?
I feel so at peace right now.
I'm glad. I know you had all this tension in there.
So much tension.
Yeah. How are you walking around?
How was I?
Yeah. She's alive right now.
I feel so good now.
I'm glad. So really strong, right? Just turn it off. Okay. I'm gonna go through some words and we're gonna see which one has to do with your subconscious, and then we're gonna kind of dive deep into it, and we're gonna have you kind of just draw an image of it under the laser. Push up as hard as you can. I'm gonna check the other arm. So I'm gonna say some words. Straighten this out. Courage, hard as you can, courage. Ooh, there's something with that. Straighten this out. Duty, love, courage, courage. Straighten this out. Generosity, generosity, courage. What it has to do with. Straighten this out. Courage, courage. Family, friends, hard as you can. Friends, relationship, family, family, work, family, courage. Huh, I wonder what it's all about. Well, we just met, so. So, your body is telling me, so it's catching what I'm saying, straighten this out. So push up, is it love? No, courage. I was hoping it was love. So something has to do with the word courage. It could be like something that you're thinking about, like that you have to face and it's kind of bothering you. And then when I say other words like hard as you can, push up, friends, work, family, family. Okay, come on up. I have to do all the work. He does not move. Okay, so let's bring you to the laser room.
Okay.
Okay, so take a seat. She's like, I'm terrified again. You're not even gonna feel anything.
Scary face.
This place is so scary. So you're gonna close your eyes. Okay. So when I was testing your body, it seemed like what matters to you the most, your subconscious, is courage. So draw an image of what courage means to you. Like, what does that have to do with? Does it have to do with work? Does it have to do with family. For some reason, family got brought up. So you're gonna figure out like, what is courage? Why did my body turn off when the word courage was spoken? And then once you drew an image of that, you're just gonna tell yourself what you love about yourself, what you love about life, because it actually recovers your brain when you do that. When you think toxic thoughts, you produce toxins in your body. And then once you do that, you're just going to meditate. And we're just gonna do this for about 3 minutes and 30 seconds, okay?
Okay.
Okay, this is your time to meditate.
Like it was courage and family, and those are
Yeah.
two like very.
Yeah.
They're things that I have to be really courageous in my family life. So
Yeah.
I do get it from that standpoint. But it's more so just like a general thing, like
Yeah.
yeah.
Because there's a lot of things we have to be courageous about.
Yeah.
Don't worry, it's okay. She's having a great time, everyone. Don't worry. Stop crying.
Get me out of here! They got me in a psych ward!
She's like, you're scaring me.
No, it's okay. I think anytime I mention my family, I get teary-eyed.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just love them so much.
It's okay.
Thank you. You're a sweetheart. And a really good chiropractor / therapist.
We did a lot today.
No, actually, I'll take these off now.
Yeah, you can take it off.
Okay.
No, keep wearing them. Wow, you made it through.
I made it through. Can you believe it?
Yeah.
I didn't think I was going to make it through.
I know. Sometimes I'm like, should we keep doing this?
It's with the nose one. I was like, I might
Yeah.
have to stop while I'm behind.
Like 6 holes, that's too many.
Literally, I was like, ugh. But no, I feel better. Like I feel better that I came in here,
I'm glad.
for sure.
What did you like about the experience?
I liked just releasing, because I feel like
Yeah.
I always have to have control. And I feel like in here, first of all, you make people feel very comfortable. I'm going to tell you that.
Thank goodness.
Like it's really, it's really. I think it's really necessary for something like this. I think you're in the best profession. I'll come back to that in 2 weeks if how I'm feeling and see if like I really mean that. But no,
She's so
I'm
high right now,
joking.
she
Just
can't-
like energetically, like I feel like you're in the best practice because. You
Thanks.
really made me feel so comfortable. But I just loved that I had to relax myself because I'm always so tense.
Yeah.
And I can feel it. Like even after I exercise, I was on the treadmill this morning and stuff, I just still feel always tense. And I feel like I feel strong yet relaxed at the same time.
Wow, I'm glad.
Yeah. So I think that's my favorite thing is just releasing. And then feeling strength from the release.
Yeah, you got super strong eventually.
Yeah.
Started off by making fun of her the whole time.
I'm just going to be waking up in my sleep going,
Just traumatized.
I'm going to be like, push.
She's having a nightmare about me.
No, it's positive. It's positive.
Okay, all right, I'm glad.
Thank you so much, Dr. Donovan.
She needed that.
I really did.